Are you looking for a way to analyze the full value of your land before you buy or sell? LandGate allows you to estimate not only the value of the land itself, but also its resources. Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokche Capital, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 ways LandGate can help you with property due diligence and valuation. Let's get into it. Number 1, land. If you want a blanket estimate for the value of your land, LandGate can give you this rough valuation. This is then broken down by developed area, cropland, woodland, pastureland, and other land types. Number 2, solar. LandGate has a heat map overlay that will tell you how likely it is that your property can be leased for solar development. It also shows you the distance from your property to the nearest substation and transmission lines and provides an estimated solar rent per acre per year. Number 3, wind. Just as with solar, LandGate has a wind heat map that allows you to assess how likely it is that your land can be leased for wind development. It also gives you an estimated wind rent, the possible number of wind turbines that can be built on the site, along with a potential max generating capacity. Number 4, property exclusions. On top of valuations, LandGate also allows you to see potential site characteristics that could hinder development, such as wetlands, special hazard flood zones, and existing pipelines and wells. To find these exclusions, simply go to the Buildable Acreage tab in either the wind or solar section. Number 5, carbon. LandGate provides an estimate of the types, age, and height of the trees on your property. Yes, you can use this information to help you estimate the timber value of your land. But did you know that trees now have value as carbon storage? LandGate will tell you the potential carbon credit value of your property's trees and soil for both the current year and over a 30-year average. In summary, LandGate lets you understand the full value of your property, including its wind, solar, carbon, and mineral resources. This information can also be exported in an easy-to-read report that can be shared with buyers, sellers, or your real estate agent. It's free to claim a property, so check out your land's data by clicking the LandGate link in this video's description.